Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can write your first program Hello World in IntelliJ IDEA development environment. So this is my IntelliJ IDEA which I had downloaded and installed in my previous video. So if you have not seen that video, so I'm giving you a link so you can just go through that. So let's begin that. So this is the very first page when you start IntelliJ IDEA software. So here you can see you have multiple options, like you can create a new project, or you can open a project, or maybe you can check out from some repository. So in this example I'm going to create a very new project. So click on this button. Okay, so on this page it will ask you like which kind of project that you are going to make, because IntelliJ IDEA support many different kind of project, like it a plain Java code, or maybe Maven project, Gradle project, Android, even Android you can write FX also, Groovy and Kotlin. So these many kind of projects are supported on this. So you can choose any of the options. So you can choose our empty project also, where you can provide all the structure or the configuration by your own. So you can use this also. So let me try this, or maybe you can go with the Java also, first one, and I'm not choosing any Groovy or Kotlin. It's a very plain application that I'm going to make. So simply I press next. This option is asking to choose some template, so I'm just ignoring now. No template I needed for a very plain simple project. So here I will give a project name like first project. So this is the name of my project. So in IntelliJ IDEA you have to create a project, right? There's nothing but one folder which contains all your project file. Second is the project location. So if you can choose where exactly you wanted to create this folder. So by default it creates in your user home directory. So if you want, you can change by this button. So I'm not changing it. Simply I'm clicking finish. So now this is the main development screen, and since I'm opening it first time, so it giving a lot of help pop-ups for you. So these tips are basically very helpful for you. So I'm just closing these help pop-ups, and this is your in development environment. At left side you can see this is your project explorer, where you can see all your files and folder. Top is your menu and other toolbars is there. So let's write your first program. So you can see you have one src folder. So this folder is made is there just to create all your Java files. So let me click create a main class into that. Simply right click on this folder, go to new, and you have many options what kind of file that you want to make. So I'm going to create a Java class. So simply click on Java, and in Java also what exactly you're trying to create, a class or interface or enum or any other thing. So I'm creating a class, and the class name is main, or maybe I can create any other name, my project. So this will be my class name. Then simply hit enter. So this is the class. It is created with its own structure. You can see it has created with the brackets and all. So under that you can write your code. So I'm going to write the hello world program. So I will write a simple main method just to test. So you can see it is giving me suggestion also what exactly I have to use. So you can use, like, you can press tab button, so it will automatically complete the word. Okay, so simply I am using a hello world. That's it. So my program is ready, and now simply I have to run the program. So for running you have many options on the menu bar. You can see you have a build menu. From there you can just build a project and run the application. Okay, you have a right click option also. You can just right click, and you have a run option. So from here also you can run the program. You have a run menu also. Directly from here you can run the program, and also you have a shortcut like Alt Shift and F10. So from keyboard you can use this also. Yeah, so there are many options which you can use. So the simplest one is just simply just right click and run. So at the bottom you can see it is compiling the project, and it will show you the console, because it's a console application. Here you can see this is showing the output of the program, Hello World. Okay, so this is what the very basic Hello World program, just to test the environment that everything is running fine. Yeah, if you want to see the file on your disk, right, if you can just right click on your project folder, and you can go to browse. Okay, so here the option like open in Explorer. So when I click this open Explorer, so it will open your disk where this file is created. So it was created in my home folder. Under that you can see these all are your project structure. So it has created an src folder. Under that I created a file, and once we execute it, it creates an output folder by default, out. Under that it create a production and your project name and the compiled files. So this is what about your very first Hello World program. So if you have any doubts or question about this video, please write your question in the comment section, and I will reply back to you. Thank you.